Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming what ports you have: RCA 3, 5mm, or an IP audio stream. Once you know the types, gather matching cables and any adapters. This saves trial and error. Make sure the DVR and camera are powered off before you connect, because that prevents shorts and lets the device handshake correctly. While you plug in, note input labels so you don't mix channels. This ensures audio routes to the right camera feed once you power on. Once connected, power on both devices and open the DVR's audio settings. You'll see inputs listed by channel. Make sure you select the correct input type, analog RCA or line inverses IP/stream, then enable audio for the matching camera channel. Adjust gain conservatively so you avoid clipping. Test with normal speech to set levels. If the DVR supports audio monitoring, enable it briefly to confirm reception, and finish by checking live view and a short recorded clip to confirm audio sync and clarity. If it's delayed or missing, recheck channel mapping and codec settings. For IP cameras, make sure firmware and network firewall rules permit the audio stream, because blocked ports or incompatible codecs often cause silence. If problems persist, use a test microphone or loopback cable to determine whether the issue is hardware or software. This single test quickly isolates the fault and points you to the
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.